is one of the last few iPhone SEs from Apple's big clearance sale that they've been having over the last few months, and I am so excited. So I'm just gonna unbox this for you guys right now so we can take a look. This one is actually the exact one I've been waiting for. It is the SE Rose Gold 128 gig, which I've been looking for, but every time they would put them up, I would just miss it and they would sell out in a couple of hours. And this last time, I happened to catch it on a break from work and I was able to get it for $300 plus tax. So here she is. Still has protective covering on the screen. This came factory direct or warehouse direct from Apple themselves. Bought it from their website, unlocked. It also came with a T-Mobile Ready SIM inside. I still have my current phone that I'm using, so I'm not gonna put that SIM in yet, but I am gonna boot this up just so you can take a look at it to start. Now we're ready to turn it on. I actually had this delivered about a week ago and I'm just now opening it, so whatever the battery was at when it arrived, I actually had to charge it a little bit. Okay, let's get into what came with it. Standard accessories. So, just like any regular iPhone, as I drop everything out, it's going to come with your charging cord, your wall adapter, and your earpods. Not AirPods. There's the cord right there. Just your Apple standard. I'm still contemplating whether I want to get AirPods or not, but these are nice backups to have sometimes, like for traveling or to the gym. Extra to throw in your bag for when you forget your mains, especially since they come in this nice little case. It also comes with this little holder. And if you open up, has a little start card in it, just to help you acquaint yourself with it. So that is my iPhone SE unboxing. That's everything that has come with it. And again, it is the 128 gig beautiful rose gold iPhone SE, which I chose because I like a smaller phone. My hands are not very large, and I wanted a phone that I could use the entire screen with one hand. That's important to me. And so grabbing this last small phone that they've made felt like a really big get for me at a price that was $150 lower than what it was originally. So I'm very happy with the color, the condition, of course the battery life. I haven't charged it fully yet, but I'm also not going to start using it right away either, so it's okay. I have time to let it charge up. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful to you, and stay tuned. Even more stuff on this channel. hello and goodbye.